In this video, we will apply what was explained in the previous videos. This simple shape we will be designed by the basic commands. This is symmetrical shape. Draw line in the center of image to set the image on it. Choose rotate. Place the cursor in the middle of the upper leaf. Then place it in the middle of the lower leaf. Press shift with rotation. Select image, go to layer. Right click on layer 5. Choose change object layer. Lock this layer by pressing lock button. We start drawing by curve interpolating points. Put points on the outer borders of the picture. Do not care about the details, only the outer borders. Modify the curve by moving its points. Keep drawing curves. Edit curve points. Mirror curve. Select arc. Select start end point on arc. Pick start point then end point. Move to set center point. Select inner point then scale it to make it oval. Select arc. Rotate with pressing shift. Draw a rectangle. Mirror it. I think the arc needs to move a little left. Now make sweep one rail. Select arc then select rectangle. Right click. Press OK. Draw cross-section curve. Trying to copy the image. Modify this curve by moving its points. Draw straight line to align endpoints with. Select cross-section curve then rotate in right view. Scale to fit between curves. Now make sweep 2 rails. Click add slash. Do it again on the other side. Click add slash. Press OK. Draw curve to make cross section for this leaf. Rebuild by 9. Then edit curve to try to get the shape in image by moving its points in top view. This curve work for up and down leaf. But I think we need another curve to make the upper part. So draw curve and rebuild and modify. Now make sweep 2 rails. Make it again to upper part. Select surfaces and join. Select these curves and show edit point. Draw curve from point to point. Rebuild by 9. Then edit curve by its points. Make sweep 2 rails. Make sweep 2 rails. Use add slash. Select surface and join it. Now draw curves to use it as splitting curves. Try to make it like the image. Be sure curves must be connected. Now split. Delete parts you do not need. Do it again for the second leaf. Tip of this leaf need to be up. So bend it by bend tool. Now draw splitting curves. Join these curves. Mirror. Select surface and split. Select leaves and mirror it. Select surfaces, go to curve menu. Select duplicate border. Extrude by gumball. Select with shift control. Then scale to 0. Select all surfaces and join.